Again, everybody is crazy. Asking for a share of fish. Agoy, sige, gidapog yun sa now, ang gamay. That the home and dad bought. This is the calico twin, warm. And the other twin is here, seldom seen because she's always hiding. This is Max. And beside her is Eve, our semi-Bengal. Makmak. Makmak. And down here is Doe. Papa, why did you punch? Huh? Why did you punch? Smooth? Hi. That's how they are on a Saturday morning, November 16, 2024. And the smallest one is drinking water. Our pure black kitten. Smooth, smooth. Here is a sassy girl, Dinar. Smooth, smooth. Hi, smooth, smooth. Hi. You've been punched again? Huh? Smooth. There's Jay. Hi, Tati. Iti. Our white elder. Iti. Somebody's running again. Game. Nyed. Hi, Nyed. Hi. You're showing off your socks, Makmak. You're showing off your white socks, Makmak. Hi, 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 Nyed. Attention seeker. Hi, Nyed. Hi, hi. Daddy. Fluffy one. Hi. Finished eating Fluffy one and grooming. Hi, hi. Hopang. Nyed. And Warm is eating. Wam. You're eating Wam. Pound. What? Hi, Makmak and Eve. Hi. The little one is here. What are you doing? Smooth. Game. Why is the smell of fish so attractive to them? Strike. Shake. Eti. Fiang. Hi. Hi, Smooth. Hi. Hi, Smooth. Hi. What are you doing, Smooth? Hi. Wow. That's his sound. Hi. You want to eat fish too? Huh, Smooth? You want to eat fish too? Smooth. Very sociable. Not afraid of anyone. That's why the elders who has not been adjusted unto him yet will punch him. Because they are startled by his moves. Smooth. Hi. Hi, Smooth. You there. Smooth. Hi, Smooth. Hi. What? He's pouring. Hi, Smooth. Hi. Oh, wow. Wow. Hi. Hi. Wam wam. Among the tuxedos, this is the sociable one. And the timid one is that one. Eating over there. That's the timid one, Max. She's always hiding upstairs. Hey. Dinar. Dinar. Hey. Hey, Dinar. Do not punch. Pound. Mangilog pound. Wala, matagak mo dito na. Patong na dong. The smallest one is all over the place eating and climbing and sitting on the food while eating. Wala tagak ang plato kay gaan pa siya. Butan dyan si Pound, yung Poundinig. Hawa na lang. Pa-Pound! Pa-Pound! A very kind calico boy. He doesn't want fights. And he just like play, running around. His character is more like this one. Our second elder, Sassy. Up to now, he's been playing with Pound, running all over the house. And they don't bite, they don't punch, they just want to play. That's my forever playful kitty, Sassy. You be the one to say thank you, Fiafi one. Thank you. Thank you for watching our random activities on a 7 a.m. plus on a Saturday morning. Thank you for subscribing, adding up to our 1,753 subscribers as of November 16, 2024. Thank you and see you in our next video. Hi, kid! Our newly adopted white one with blue and grayish eyes. A timid one. Ayaw, Tati. She just want to greet you, Fiafi one. Huh? Uncle Tati is just startled. Kin-kin. Kini-kini girl. Kini-kini girl. Huh? She's been shouting last night and we thought that she's already in heat. We don't know. It could be. Because she's already between 5 to 6 months young. Kini-kini. Kini-kini girl. Nying. Nying. What's you looking at? Piang. Hi, Daddy. Daddy, what's that? What's that, Fiafi one? We're so happy. She's almost free of her allergies.